So doing lime and bedding. We were doing this every other day. We're having to do it really lightly every day. So Jack comes in here. He's a really big help. He's very gentle. The initial intention of having Jack in here was getting the chicks familiarized with having a dog around them, hoping that they wouldn't be jumpy and flighty, and that would set the Pyrenees up for more success. But it's actually proven to be a huge help that I have to work on one end, the first, and then this end. So liming it and shaving it, and they want to kind of congregate around me. So Jack kind of keeps everyone moving, and he protects the doors, which is really darling. And he does a great job. Huh, Jack? And they don't mind him at all. They've had Jack from the get, so to them, he's another big chicken. We call that his Chewbacca. He always does that when he's patiently waiting for an animal. Good job, Jack. Good job, Jack. Good job. Come on, ladies, let's go. Move them. Come on, Jack. Move them out. Let's go. Move them out. Move them out, Jack. Come on. Move them out. Good, Jack. Move them out. Good. Good job, Jack. Keep it moving, Jack. Shavings next. So we feed and water them 2 to 3 times a day. We bed them now once a day. It's quite an undertaking. So in comes the shavings next.